welcome to my new video, and I'm gonna show you how to download realistic texture packs or shaders for Minecraft Pocket Edition or Bedrock Edition, you can see. The app name is, don't skip this part, this is very important, and if you skip after just watching the app name, you are cooked because there are many steps to import it. Let me show you the app. It's called Shaders Texture Packs for MCP. Let me show you how it looks. So let me show you the pack directly. Okay guys, so I have already installed that texture pack, so it will show in manage. So this is the texture pack which I am showing, real source realistic RTX pack. Let me show you in Minecraft. Wait, let me show you how to import it to Minecraft. Wait. Okay guys, so you have to click on install and then it will show you import to app. Click on Minecraft. I have already installed, so I can't do it again. Okay guys, so I have just started Minecraft, so let me show you. It's showing loading resource pack and let me show you how it actually looks. Okay, so first let me go to this world. Alright guys, so look at the block quality. To be honest, it's very good. Look at the stone quality. Oh my god, like it's very beautiful. It's very realistic, that's why. Look at the plank quality, let me show you. Like how realistic it looks, to be honest. Let me show you the diamond ore. Like take a look how realistic it looks, and let me show you how realistic tree looks. Look at the leaves. It's very good. And look at the planks. Look at the oak logs, dark oak logs. It's very beautiful, to be honest. And let me show you how beautiful this texture pack looks. Okay, so this is water. This is how it looks. I know water doesn't look so good, but just avoid water and look at other blocks such as white oak logs. This is very good. I actually like this is birch. I know that. Let me show you this. Let me show you this mushroom also. Like it's very good. And yes, I'm gonna recommend you this texture pack if you have a good quality phone. Yes, this is very important. If you have a good quality phone, then you should download this pack. Otherwise, no, because like this is realistic and it will take some time to load it. And if you want to try on low quality phone, then try it. And if you find it good, then like use it. Okay guys, so this is for the video. I have to end it right now because it's already so much and you can discover it by yourself. So goodbye, and make sure to like and subscribe to my video. See ya. And also if you want more tutorials like this, and if you want any kind of tutorial, just comment me down and I will make a video on that for sure. Okay guys, see ya.